All right, let's look at the homework 8.1, problem number 10. All right, so let's find the arc length here. All right, so y is equal to integral for 1 to x square root of t cubed minus 1 with respect to t. All right, so let's first take the derivative. So we're going to have to use the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1. All right, so the derivative is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is take out the integrand here and replace the variable with x. So it's going to be square root of x cubed minus 1. All right, then if you find the square root of 1 plus y prime squared would be, you have a square root still, 1 plus, all right, this guy's square would be just x cubed minus 1. So we can cancel 1 and the 1 here. Then you just end up getting x to the, let's see, so 3, then square root, so it's a 3/2 power. All right, so it got nice and simple here. All right, then we want the arc length, so I'm going to just say L is going to be equal to, looks like x only goes from 16 to 25. All right, here is the x to the 3/2 power. Then we're going to do that with respect to x. All right, so this is going to be equal to, all right, antiderivative. So add 1 to the power, so it's going to be 5/2. Divide by 5/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/5. So I'm going to probably put 2/5 outside. And then you're going from 16 to 25. All right, so that's going to be equal to, all right, so 2/5 is still there. All right, so if you plug in 25, so you have, let's see, you have to take the square root of 25, so that's 5. And then you have to raise it to the 5th power. So it's going to be 5 to the 5th power and a minus, right? If you plug in a 16, so you take the square root, that will be 4, and then 4 to the 5th power. So 4 to the 5th power, right? So we have that. And then, let's see, actually, can I leave it as it is? Let's see if, I'm too lazy to compute it. So let's see if it takes the answer here. So here we have 2/5, and then you have a 5 to the 5th power minus 4 to the 5th power. And hopefully it'll take it. Let's see. I said, oh, okay, it doesn't take it, right? So I have to get to the value. All right, so let's do that. All right, I got the GeoGebra open, so I'm going to compute the 5 to the 5th minus 4 to the 5th. All right, what's that number? Oh, well, that's a big number. So you want to multiply by 2, so it's going to be 2,101 multiplied by 2, and 4,202 divided by 5. Okay, so all right. So what we got was 4,202 divided by 5. Right, and here. Some before testing, and looks like, all right, it came back, and looks like we got this number correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.